Nakikita nyo ba itong nasa likod ko? So, hindi ito yung typical na nakikita natin sa bahay sa Maynila kasi nga mainit na. So, mahulaan nyo kaya kung nasan tayo ngayon? Kung nasan ang Module Asia ngayon? Tama nga kayo guys, nandito tayo sa Baguio, the summer capital city of the Philippines. So yun guys, ngayon makakasama natin si Attorney Mags, yung owner ng bagong kitchen dito sa Baguio. So ma'am, kamusta po? How's the experience po sa Module Asia?
Hello everyone. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I was very happy with my experience dealing with Module Asia. Actually, here in Baguio, wala kaming kilalang modular maker. That's why I was following several social media accounts on modular kitchens. Tapos, I think nag-zero in ako sa Module Asia because I don't even remember kung sino, I saw a review from a customer that was very detailed in his positive review of your services. And then, after no, nag-inquire ako sa social media, tapos in-explain nila kaagad yung inspection and so on. Yun yung ano. But of course, after the inspection, I gave si architect sa si Ma'am Colleen ng parang dream board ko of what I wanted. And then, sa kanila drawing. Tapos of course, pagbigay ng quote, titingnan mo rin kung okay ba yung presyo or kaya ba namin, ganyan. So, yun yung nangyari. So, nag-umpisa siya sa pang-oosyoso ko sa social media account nyo. So it's nice that way.
Matagal na rin po kayo naka-follow sa page po ng Module Asia? Or recently lang yun po lang?
Hindi ko alam na Module Asia yun. Basta marami akong fina-follow na modular. So, I think, dahil I kept on following modular kitchens, dahil, di ba, sa algorithm ng Facebook, biglang pinakita niya siguro yung Module Asia. Tapos, nung binuksan ko, nakita ko siguro na maganda yung project, tapos nakita ko yung review. Yun, doon ako napa-inquire.
Napa-inquire. So, bali ma'am, konting kwento lang din po sa before nung kitchen nila, bago maging ganitong maganda.
Okay, so siguro kung nakita niyo yung video nila earlier, this is an old house. This house is about 50 or 60 years old. It was actually inherited by my husband from his grandparents. Tapos, when we moved here mga 20 years ago, we were a new couple with only 2 kids. Tapos nagkaroon kami ng third son namin. But when we moved here, we didn't have that much money. The only thing we could do was parang repaint, konting renovate, but we couldn't change the kitchen. We had to work with what was there. And also, 20 years ago, the kitchen was still nice. It was all wooden, ganyan. But the thing that was really, 20 years ago, we thought had a lot of character was this circular divider between the the kitchen and the living room. Noon, we liked it. And it was really, really nice for us. May Formica counters, etc. But it was very dark. All wood, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, unti-unti, we started saying, sana gawin natin to, sana gawin natin to. But somewhere along the way, we decided na we wanted to do a renovation to make the kitchen really workable for our children. Na, kasi we are a household na who doesn't depend on helpers. We really do the stuff by ourselves. And in our travels also, we've seen and stayed in Airbnbs that all the kitchen are small but very functional, ang daling gamitin. Oo, parang bilang na bilang yung plato, yung ganon, yung walang nag-hoard. So yun yung naging pangarap namin. But I couldn't commit to Module Asia until mapakita nila sa akin yung drawing kung paano nila tatanggalin yung circular divider. Ayun. Tapos nung napakita naman nila through the drawing and I really liked it, yun na. So we started na communicating and parang fine-tuning the plan, saying what I wanted, ganyan. Ayun. So it was a really nice experience, and it's just today that it was clear to me na ikaw pala yung kausap ko sa Facebook.
Guys, ako yung kausap ko sa Facebook.
Ang pinaka one of the best things about my experience with Module Asia is the customer service. Yung parang may maisip ako in the middle of the night, magtatanong ako, ang bilis sumagot. And always polite and courteous and very professional. I really like that.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, ano naman po masasabi niyo sa bagong kitchen? Finally!
Oo. So, they knew this, but we had to move out of our house kasi syempre wala kaming kusina. We had to move out of our house for 2 months kasi parang 1 month yung Baguio team had to demolish everything. They had to change the flooring, etc. And then, after 1 month, pasok naman ang Module Asia to parang install the cabinets. So, I really like the kitchen cabinets. And kahit modern siya, I really like that we parang cooperated to make it parang seamless with our old Baguio house. Kasi our house is an old house, as I said. Like, may fireplace kami. Parang ang pangit naman kung parang super modern ng kitchen pero hindi siya parang match. Ang favorite ko dito sa kitchen na to, parang napuwersa ako to have a place for everything. So, parang how many plates do we really need, diba? Parang I had to parang remove what I didn't use and parang also limit my grocery shopping kasi limited yung space. And also, I like that with the renovation, we upgraded to modern appliances, like yung induction, yung electric oven, saka ang favorite ko, it's not Module Asia, but it's really my favorite, is we installed a dishwasher. So, pero of course, the way it was placed there was discussed with Module Asia para nakaposition siya ng maayos, etc. Yan. So, everything. I love everything. I love lang na parang now, you know where everything is kasi with the space, you really have to rethink kung saan mo ilalagay lahat ng bagay.
Kumbaga, dun po sa, nasunod naman po lahat ng gusto nyo dun sa kitchen na mangyari.
Oo, nasunod naman. Yung presyo lang siguro. Hindi. Kasi ikaw pala kausap ko. Tumatawad ako. Okay, hindi. Nasunod naman. And I was really impressed also with how fast it was. Parang the installer was alone by himself. Si Joseph, nakapangalan ng asawa ko, hi, Kuya Joseph.
Hi, ma'am!
Ang bait-bait niya, ang galing-galing niya, saka ang daling kausap. Tapos, ang galing niya rin magpaliwanag, etc.
Ilang araw niya po nagawa ito, ma'am, yung buo?
Parang, ano ba? Wala pa atang 1 linggo. Parang 4? Hindi naman. Siguro mga 6 days, if I'm not mistaken. Basta, nung dineliver lahat ng cabinets, the next day, nakikita mo na, you know, it was so impressive to me kasi mag-isa niya lang. Tapos, syempre, ang lalaki ng cabinet, ha? Paano mo ginawa yun, di ba? Pero nagawa naman niya.
Pag ganun kabilis si Joseph mag-install. Kahit mag-isa lang siya, kaya-kaya nang gawin. So, ma'am, message naman po sa Module Asia.
Ayun, meron na akong pinapagawa uli. Pinapa-quote uli.
May pinasukat ulit si ma'am.
May pinapasukat ako because I was very impressed, as I said, with the professional way by which you dealt with us. And also, nagkaroon ng mga konting problema, bilis ayusin, etc. I really like dealing with you and I really can recommend them. And I think what's different about this project for Module Asia is this is parang renovation. Most of your projects are new houses. Okay. So parang, okay, syempre, bagay naman talaga yung modular dun sa bagong bahay. Pero ito, this was an old house that we really had to think about, diba? Like for instance, one of the challenges is tong posting to. Most of the modular, diba? Modular kitchens, may counter dito. Yun din yung request ko nung una. But because of this poste that we couldn't remove because it's load-bearing pala, we had to remove the counter. Pero kahit wala yung counter, napagana pa rin natin yung kusina na maayos, diba? So, yun yung isa rin, diba? Parang when you made the first initial quote, may counter siya, ito yung total amount, chu-chu-chu-chu. Tapos nung sinabi ko na baka mawala yung counter, ganyan. In fairness to them, when the project cost was reduced, it was really significant. Hindi siya yung parang basta nagtanggal lang, pero feeling ko mahal pa rin or something. The reduction was very significant. Na parang, buti naman kinonsider nila yung reduction. So, yung flexibility na gano'n, I really like it. And your people are always so professional, especially you. Kasi palagi kitang tinetext. Saka si Joseph. Joseph, hi. So yun, hopefully, all of you who are watching, if you are considering doing modular kitchen project, especially for old houses, I would really recommend them. I'm sure maraming makakagawa for new houses, but yung adjustment and flexibility for old houses, I really appreciated it. Yeah.
So yun guys, ma'am, maraming salamat po sa
Thank you then.
For choosing Module Asia. And we are so doubly happy na nagawa po namin yung dream kitchen nyo. That's it guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ng aming vlog dito sa Baguio City. Guys, kahit nasaan pa man kayo, Baguio, Tacloban, Batangas, at kahit saan pa, handa kaming magbigay serbisyo para sa inyo. Muli, maraming salamat po hanggang sa susunod na ating vlog. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow sa aming mga social media account na naka-flash sa inyong mga screen. Thank you! Bye-bye!
Na, diba? Nandiyan na yung mga pagkain. Okay. Ay, yung mga kutsara. Kita mo to from breakfast. Walang tumutulo. Ngayon, clean na siya, diba? So, clean na. Ibig sabihin, kung sino masipag, please, mamaya pakilabas yung mga plato at ilagay mo sa cabinet. Okay, so tapos na yung dishwasher namin. Nag-run lang ako ng 30 minutes. Ganito na siya.
Ay, oo nga.
So, yun na nga, nag-spa ka na nga.
Tingnan mo yung mga kutsara na.
Natatawa ako sa itsura mo. Nakakanga ka eh.
That's what she said.
Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa sunod sa 3, 4. Okay.